guys, welcome to Stockings Collector. I am your host for all things hosiery and hosiery reviews. So today I'm bringing to you hosiery that is finally built to last. This particular company is eco-friendly, they're sustainable, and they're changing the way that we wear tights today. So I need you guys to stay tuned till the end of this video because I have a special announcement from this company regarding your old pair of nylons. Okay, so stay tuned. So moving along, we are going to open this box together. It's a surprise. I have no idea what's in here. And let's see what tights I have in this box. The company is Swedish Stockings, and they are ethically made in Italy from recycled and sustainable materials. They use renewable energy. And apparently they're supposed to be very soft to touch. So these babies are supposed to be resistant to snagging, and they are built to last. Oh my God, these are beautiful. So here I have, wow. So here I have some socks. I have a Doris dotted pair. Looks like a black pair. And these are a wine pair of socks. I also have a 60 denier dark brown. This would be great. So this is a 60 denier dark brown. This is the wine, the micronet sock. And I do have the black dotted pair. So this black dotted pair is a 40 denier, and the dark brown is a 60 denier. Also, I have, ooh, these are super cute. I have gray socks in an 80 denier. So, let's do the try-on test. So first off, I think I'm going to go for the 40 denier in black. So let's give this a try and see how well these tights hold up. It's supposed to be very comfortable and super warm. Let's see. Packaging, by the way. So these are all sustainable materials. So you know the nylons, it doesn't break down in the landfill. So what they're doing is they've created materials, or they're using materials that actually breaks down and that are recyclable, so we can recycle our tights again. Recycle the materials into new tights. So this is the black dotted pair. I'm going to give this my normal stretch. The stretch allows the fibers to stretch a little bit more. I usually give it a little stretch in the waist area. Let's see. Ooh, good thing. Oh, they do have their label. I love seeing this, because it helps you identify your hosiery if you have like a whole bunch in a drawer like I do. Yeah, so that's the back. It has a reinforced waistband and the single seam toe. Oh, it is a reinforced toe. So let's go and give this a try. Oh, there's also in the packaging, it has, let's see what it says here. This is why you have chosen Swedish Stockings as your hosiery brand. So it gives you a little description here. It gives you hosiery care and their recycling instructions. Feels really good so far. Oh my God, they do feel stronger than other hosieries that I've owned. I must say that. So guys, I'm doing this because my nails, I always stress the importance of making sure that your nails are filed neatly. You know, doesn't matter if it's sustainable or not, or if they're recyclable hosiery. If your nails are not filed neatly, your hosiery will rip or they will snag. So I'm just doing this to test the strength of the hosiery. So let's give these a try. So far, I'm very impressed. They feel good. They feel super soft. Let's see how it feels on my skin. Wow. Feels very, very good so far. Very strong, very durable. Yes, so the toes are reinforced at the toe. It has a broad waistband. I like the waistband that it has on it here. Maybe I should take my skirt off. I wore these colors because I wasn't sure exactly what, I wasn't sure what colors I was going to have to do this review. But in any event, I'm glad I was able to remove my skirt so you guys can see the hosiery. So there it is. It has a reinforced waistband. So it has about a 1-inch waistband, and then there's this broad area here that's reinforced. So this really helps, keep the tummy tucked in a bit. I love the detailing in the back. Oh wow, it looks like it's, hold on a second here. Oh, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Yeah, so this reinforced waistband, it looks like it goes a little further down. And it goes all the way down to the back area. It has a seam in the middle, cotton gusset. Feels great. They definitely feel very, very strong, guys. These are very, very durable tights. Very durable. And it feels like I don't really have anything on. It's like I have nothing on. I can do my yoga stretches. Yeah. Yeah, these are great. Very strong, very sustainable tights. So here's a company that's doing, great things for our planet. They're recycling tights, and they do have this is what I had saved for the end. They do have a recycling program where you can send 3 or more pairs of your used or ripped nylons. You could send it to them, and they'll give you a 10% discount for future shopping, which is fantastic. So this way, this helps them break down the nylons and reuse it into other products going forward. because the nylons that are out there, they don't break down. I mean, most of the times you take your old nylons to repair, you throw it in the garbage and it just sits there. It doesn't break down. But this company has all the tools and the machinery to break it down and mix the fibers from those old nylons with cotton and other sustainable materials to break it down and to reuse it again. So I think that's great. So, you know, I mean, this is what we need to be focusing on for our planet, for our sustainability here on Earth. So I think you guys should look forward to wearing more of Swedish stockings. Yeah, these are fantastic. Feels great. I do have 3 other pairs that I will be reviewing. So this one I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit colder outside, because right now it's, you know, it's kind of like in between weather in New York. And my socks, I will be reviewing those shortly. So guys, thank you again for watching. Thank you again for tuning into this review. I love this pair. I mean, this is like one of my best pairs and one of my favorites thus far, because they're very strong and they feel very comfortable on. It feels like, you know, like I'm not wearing anything. And this is definitely one of my go-to pairs, go-to company for sustainable hosiery, and also for a tights that's going to last for a long time, because I really don't enjoy it when my tights snag and I have to go on and repurchase another one. So this is great for a lasting pair. So guys, until next time, I thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to be happy, wear more hosiery, and go out there and show the world your personal style, okay? Wear more hosiery, guys. It's fun. It's feminine and very classic. So until next time, guys. Ciao.